to marry these two together. Power of magic and editing. We just go. Oh my god. Yeah, she looks nice. I'm real happy seeing this build, how it's coming together. What's up, YouTube, man? Done. We back, you feel me? First and foremost, if you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for tuning in. While I got your attention, we are doing a huge giveaway at 1,000 subs, man. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, man. Send this to a mama or a friend. If you want to further support the channel, you go down to the description, the links below. Today, we got another unboxing. This is a part of the new build series that I brought to the channel. If you're new here, we're doing a Honey Badger SD build. My take on it.
Cornerstone, me and my folks. What these niggas on shows? Cornerstone, me and my folks. Cornerstone with me and my bros. It's a geek shit on the E-way. See blue lights and it's a ghost. I love my bitch, can't tell her no. Play a high step from head to toe. Noah's Ark, Cybertruck, it's a boat. Pop her 10 and I get old. Step out the side of Versace road. Bitch ass nigga hang cause he broke.
Alright, right now, leave in the comments what you think this is. Give me a second. Bro, go comment, bro. Oh, alright. Anyways, getting into the unboxing. We got our cricket spew. Oh, of course, we gotta go PSA because we are doing a budget Honey Badger build. Here we have a PSA upper, 8.5, chambered in 300 blackout. I believe it's a 1 in 7 twist. Go ahead and get this zip tie off. Now, if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time ever seeing me, this is the Psa Guardsman lower. I also went and picked up the SB Tac Honey Badger brace, and we are going to marry these two together. Of course, I can't show that process on YouTube, so the power of magic and editing, we just go. And there you have it. Oh my God. Yeah, no, she looks nice. She looks nice. Yeah, buddy. So just a quick brief rundown. This is the new Psa Guardsman lower. It has a flat face or flat bow trigger. It's their brand new trigger design. Bag pull, furniture, but SB Tactical Honey Badger brace on the back of this thing. The barrel is 8.5, rail is 10.5, and then they have their kind of like not proprietary, but their own fluted flash can. It's not a break or anything. It sends all the gases in the flash, concussion, all of that forward instead of out to the sides, but you're not deafening everybody around you. So that's cool. Of course, we got the ambi selector, safety selector. And then I plan on changing out the charging handle. So leave in the comments down below any suggestions on an ambi charging handle that I should get for this build. Let me show y'all what it looks. Mag is empty, gun is empty. This is a YouTube compliant, California compliant, 230 round mags, you know what I'm saying? So, yes sir, that's how that looks, man. Yeah, man. That shit, that look fire. That look good. Not gonna lie. I'm seeing this build come together. I'm real happy seeing this build, how it's coming together. This rail won't be staying permanently. Like I said, we are doing an SD, meaning I'm getting a can for it. And I also gonna wanna tuck the can. I have another rail. We're gonna be changing this out once we get the can and stuff like that. The next step for this build is obviously getting an optic. So we're gonna order that and get that on the way to us. I know I'm gonna get bad lever angle. If there's any company watching this video right now that want to support the channel, support this build, my email course, feel free to reach out to me. My email is in the description down below. Of course, y'all will be a part of that process. I appreciate the support. We're growing slowly but surely each and every day. Click that bell so you don't miss another time I upload, man, because as you can see, man, we dropping bangers. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing, man. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate your support. Road to monetization. Big giveaway at 1,000 subs, man, so tune in, so make sure y'all be a part of that giveaway, man. But as far as today's video, tune into the next one. Done. We gone.